How's everyone doing? Today I will be making patterns on the 7x7 Rubik's Cube. And before I make them, I just want to show you the bigger 11x11 Rubik's Cube over here. In case if you want one, I bought it at Amazon. Okay, so I will start. The first pattern I will be making is called the checkerboard. This pattern is very easy to do for me, and you can also do it on the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And here we go. Here's the checkerboard. Now I will be solving the checkerboard. And by the way, if this was an 8x8 Rubik's Cube, we could have played chess on it. Now I will be making another pattern called the donut. The donut is also a very simple pattern, and yeah, here we go. Doesn't it look yummy to eat? Okay, now I will be solving the donut. The next pattern I will be making is called the smiley face. This pattern is very famous because everyone wants to be happy, and it's pretty cool if you ask me. So first you have to make the eyes. Then you have to make this part that smiles. And then, I'm not done yet. And then, here we go. The smiley face. I'll be solving the smiley face. And after I solve it, there's another pattern I will be making. It's called like the letter A. And I invented this pattern. I made it by myself. I didn't go on YouTube or something. So I will start making the A right now. When you're making the A, you have to make these two rods first. These two rods. And then you have to make this H kind of thing. And then after that, you can make the A. And also there are many other patterns you can make, like a robot pattern. And if you, on the pi symbol, the mathematical pi symbol, 3.1415, etc. And then solve it. Here we go. Thank you for listening to my presentation on making patterns with 7x7 Rubik's Cube.
I'd rather not.